Well, first of all, I want to say great morning, everyone. Literally, it's 3 o'clock right at this moment in the morning. I've just completed my task here. Night shift चल रही है अभी फिलहाल के लिए. So the only reason I'm making this video is because I've just realized something, and while I was working on a big complicated project, and I had received few more calls from my team lead, and while we were focusing on a particular problem, I just came across a wonderful thing. You can say I've just had a realization about life. It's not about this life. Basically, it is something that you can apply at literally for everything. So the thing is, when you truly decide something to do, it can only be measured that the quality of your decision can only be decided. Just try to understand the situation here. The quality of your decision can only be measured by the quality of action it demands from you. बोलने का मतलब यह है कि अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने किसी चीज़ को ट्रूली डिसाइड किया है, तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि जो भी डिसीजन आप लोगों ने लिया है वो दैट्स गुड इन क्वालिटी. वो तब पता चलेगा जब आप जो भी करने वाले हैं उसमें एक्शन हो. और पता है, ये बात जो सब बोलते हैं that the thing that you are seeking is also seeking you, that's literally true. For example, I would say I don't have much example to give because everybody has their own experience, everybody has their own battle scars, so I'm no one to tell anything, right? लेकिन हाँ, ये बात ज़रूर बोलना चाहूँगा कि अगर आप कुछ चीज़ को करना चाहते हैं, see there are hell lot of things going on in the world. बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही है फिलहाल के लिए दुनिया में, लेकिन हर किसी को एक अलग अलग चीज़ आती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लाइक आई लाइक रीडिंग बुक्स, पेंटिंग, सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, doing blogs and all. Some people like sitting, listening to music, although I like it, but the kind of the taste of music is different for you and so for me. So the thing that I want to put here in front of everyone, those who are listening to me right now, those who are watching this video, is that when you truly decide to do something, just note it down, and trust me, when you start writing it down on a journal or simply on a piece of paper, basically you have taken the first step towards the realization of your goal. Yes, that's what has actually happened. I'll make another video and I'll let you know. So बस यही बोलना चाहता था कि whenever you think of something that you think you have already decided to get that done, just write it down on a piece of paper, and trust me, it's gonna help you a lot. There are some astrophysics and astrological nonsense. I'm not gonna discuss about it, but I just want to tell you that it really works, guys. It really works. Like once you put it down on a piece of paper, whatever your goal is, trust me, today or tomorrow, maybe after 1 month or a year, nobody knows when, but trust me, you will get that dream real in front of you. So just have a goal, believe in it, write it down, and see the magic. लेकिन हाँ, काम तो करना पड़ेगा.